PureSystems is an IBM product line of factory pre-configured components and servers, also being referred to as an expert integrated system. The centerpiece of PureSystems is the IBM Flex System Manager in tandem with the so-called patterns of expertise for the automated configuration and management of PureSystems. PureSystems can host 4 different operating systems and 5 hypervisors on 2 different hardware architectures simultaneously. PureSystems utilizes a converged system, which packages multiple information technology components into a single, optimized computing solution. Architecture. The architecture itself is called IBM Flex System. It aims at managing hybrid cloud infrastructure environments out of the box. The basic intention is for the combination of integrated hardware and software that can be easily maintained. A similar concept had already been introduced with the IBM AS/400. Today, such systems are called Converged Systems. More specialized integrated hardware and software are referred to as appliances. The compute nodes of the server blades can be x86 or power architecture, and they can be used either individually or mixed in the same rack simultaneously, thus offering a hybrid ensemble which borrows from the Z Enterprise ZBX ensemble, including its ability to manage a combined physical-virtual hybrid environment from a single console. PureSystems is shipped with the IBM Flex System Manager. It is an appliance which manages the resources according to the so-called patterns of expertise, which provide field engineers expertise from decades of system configuration. These patterns of expertise offer industry-specific defaults for the fully automatic and optimal orchestration of resources. PureApplication uses, in conjunction with the IBM System Manager, first flex repeatable software patterns and industry-specific processes, which are derived from the year-long collaboration of IBM with their customers and business partners. Hardware. The basic building block of the system is the 10U HiFlex Enterprise System chassis with 14 bays in the front for compute nodes and storage nodes. Additionally, there are bays in the rear for I/O modules. A Flex chassis can accommodate up to 14 horizontal compute and storage nodes in the front, and 4 vertically oriented switch modules in the rear. Contrasting to this, the IBM Blade Center has vertically oriented compute nodes. This means that the components between the Blade Center chassis and Flex chassis are not interchangeable. Based upon the Flex Systems architecture, there are 3 main products: PureFlex System, PureApplication System, PureData System. PureFlex PureFlex is a factory pre-configured and combined hardware/software system for IaaS in terms of cloud computing. It combines server, network and storage. IBM PureFlex is available in 3 configurations: Express, Standard, Enterprise. PureApplication PureApplication is a pre-configured platform for PaaS solutions. It is optimized for transaction-oriented web and database applications. PureApplication comes with IBM DB2 database and WebSphere application server pre-configured, so users can run their applications into a pre-configured middleware engine. Unlike PureFlex, which is sold by IBM Systems and Technology Group, PureApplication is marketed by the IBM Software Group. IBM claims that PureApplication allows for installation of new applications within 4 hours. IBM PureApplication System is available in 3 classes, W1500-32 and W1500-64, using Intel Xeon E5-2670 processors, housed in a 25U rack, W1500-96 through to W1500-608. Using Intel Xeon E5-2670 processors, housed in a 42U rack, W1700-96 through to W1700-608, using IBM PowerER7 Plus processors, housed in a 42U rack. PureData Systems takes the approach of PureApplication a step further, being essentially a tightly coupled and specialized computer appliance and software appliance, the latter supporting both Oracle and DB2. It is thence marketed by the IBM Information Management Software, a brand of IBM's Software Group. PureData is focused at 3 main tasks within enterprise computing: business intelligence, near real-time data analysis and online transactional processing. It comes in 4 flavors: PureData Systems for transactions, PureData Systems for analytics, PureData Systems for operational analytics, PureData Systems for Hadoop. PureData System for transactions is a highly reliable and scalable database platform. It is aimed at e-commerce, that is retail and credit card processing environments, which depends on rapid handling of transactions and interactions. These transactions are small in size, but their sheer volume and frequency require a specialized environment. The new system can provide 5x performance improvement, partly through advances in high-performance storage. PureData System for Analytics builds on Netezza technology, and it is aimed at business intelligence that entails huge queries with complex algorithms. It provides a large library of database analytical functions for data warehouse applications, and can scale across the terabyte or petabytes running on the system. It can support extremely high-volume, high-speed analytics for clients. PureData Systems for Operational Analytics is an operational warehouse system which supports real-time decision-making. In contrast to PureData System for Analytics, which is aimed at handling large sets of data at a time, PureData for Operational Analytics is more or less a stream computing system that can analyze many small sets of data in real time, while PureData for Analytics will provide analysis only in hindsight but with large sets of data, though. Potential uses of PureData Systems for Operational Analytics are fraud detection or analysis of rapid fluctuations in supply and demand cycles. PureData Systems for Hadoop H1001 is a standards-based, so-called expert integrated, system which architecturally integrates IBM InfoSphere Big Insights, Hadoop-based software, server, and storage into a single appliance. Moreover, it integrates with IBM DB2, IBM Netezza, IBM PureData System for Analytics, and IBM InfoSphere Guardium. Software: both IBM and its partners provide software which is specifically certified for PureSystems. Currently, over 125 ISVs have already certified products for PureSystems, and business partners such as system integrators, resellers, distributors, ISVs or MSP can integrate PureSystems into their portfolio. Miscellaneous: PureSystems was announced April 11, 2012. It was mainly assembled at IBM Rochester campus in Rochester, MN. But on March 6, 2013, IBM decided to shift production of Power Systems, PureSystems and PureFlex Systems servers to Guadalajara, Mexico from Rochester, Minnesota. After 2014, most systems will be assembled in Mexico. Videos: IBM PureSystems Family Tour with Jason McGee. What are IBM PureApplication systems? IBM PureSystems Product Family, IBM PureData Ascent System Overview, IBM PureSystems, PureData System Overview with Inicho Su. See also, List of IBM products, System I, System P, System X, System Z, IBM Smarter Computing. References: IBM aims to ease IT with cloud-friendly PureSystems. April 11, 2012 at Wired Cloudline, IBM launches PureSystems, touts integration, flexibility. April 10, 2012 at zdnet.com, IBM Redbooks Web Doc, IBM Flex System Enterprise Chassis. April 11, 2012 at redbooks.ibm.com, IBM PureSystems hint at the future of Z Enterprise. April 16, 2012 at dancingdinosaur.com, PureSystems joins Z Enterprise Hybrid Family. May 8, 2012 at dancingdinosaur.com, IBM Redbooks Web Doc, IBM Flex System Manager at redbooks.ibm.com, IBM launches PureSystems ranged. April 11, 2012 at channelbiz.com, taming IT bastardization with IBM PureSystem regardless of app parentage. September 12, 2012 at forbes.com, IBM PureApplication System, the 4-hour setup by Jason McGee at youtube.com, IBM rolls out new PureSystems data servers by Sean M. Kerner, October 9, 2012 at serverwatch.com, IBM expands PureSystems line for data duties by Joab Jackson, October 9, 2012 at computerworld.com, IBM expands PureSystems family with new PureData Big Data Box by Darrell K. Taft, October 9, 2012 at eweek.com. IBM launches new PureSystems for Transactions and Big Data Analytics by Tom Groenfeld, October 9, 2012 at Forbes.com. IBM tackles big data with big hardware, PureData System for Hadoop, April 3, 2013 at DataCenterDynamics.com. IBM sets the stage for the next era of computing, April 11, 2012 at IBM.com. IT Jungle Volume 21, number April 16, 2012 at iJungle.com. IBM moving Rochester production to NY, Mexico, March 6, 2013 at MF News. External links, homepage for PureSystems, homepage for Smarter Computing, IBM Redbooks, overview of IBM PureSystems, IBM Redbooks, IBM PureFlex System and IBM Flex System products in technology, IBM Redbooks product guides, portal IBM PureSystems Center, IBM PureSystems, IBM DeveloperWorks, IBM DeveloperWorks, IBM PureSystems and Rational, HRG Assessment, comparing IBM PureSystems and Cisco UCS by Harvard Research Group, Part 1V, PureSystems, Something Old, Something New, Something from Big Blue APR, 12 2012 series of 5 articles at storageioblog.com.